You may be unaware of the glow plug unless you have a diesel engine. It replaces the spark plug and is in charge of warming the diesel motor's cylinders. Although they are a necessary part and usually last a long time, they can deteriorate with repeated use. In this video, we go over the main signs of a bad glow plug and how much it costs to replace it. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Trouble starting the vehicle. It may become challenging to start your diesel engine if the glow plugs are damaged. Insufficient heat is produced by the malfunctioning plugs to warm the cylinders. It may take multiple attempts to start the motor if the plugs don't generate enough heat rapidly. Furthermore, you may not be able to start the engine at all if the glow plugs are almost dead and the temperature is very low. Engine misfiring. When the fuel doesn't ignite properly in the cylinder, the engine backfires. Misfires of any kind should be taken seriously, but when they are the result of a defective glow plug, they are simple to repair. For the fuel to ignite, the glow plugs must adequately warm the cylinders. Although there are other possible causes for misfiring, a faulty glow plug is a good place to start. Poor acceleration. Bad glow plugs can occasionally impair engine performance, particularly in colder climates. You might need to replace the glow plugs if you are pressing down on the accelerator and nothing appears to be happening. However, a lot of faulty parts frequently exhibit poor acceleration. Before determining that the glow plugs were the cause, you would need to conduct a more thorough investigation. Black exhaust smoke. There is a problem if the exhaust from your diesel car is spewing black or dark gray smoke. A problem with the combustion system is indicated by these colors. But there are other reasons why a diesel engine might emit black smoke. If you are experiencing other symptoms from our list along with smoke coming from the exhaust, you should check the glow plugs. Check engine light or glow plug light. The check engine light may turn on when glow plugs malfunction. To obtain the error codes, use your OBDII diagnostic tool to scan the system. In some cases, you will see the P0380 glow plug, heater circuit A malfunction. However, it can also trigger their codes. For example, from P0670 to P0684, and from P0381 to O384. Replacement cost. Diesel glow plugs can be replaced for as little as $115 to $300 for the complete set. Parts and labor are included in this price. Glow plugs usually cost $75 or less, while labor costs range from $60 to $225, depending on how difficult it is to reach the plugs. Given how inexpensive the task is, some people will put off changing their glow plugs, but that is illogical. Additionally, you can replace the plugs yourself if you have the necessary equipment and some mechanical knowledge. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.